incredible craftsmanship by local mechanics is truly awe-inspiring. Many of these skilled workers haven't had the chance to even drink water from school. Means they are not educated or less educated, but yet their experience in this field is unparalleled. With years and years of experience and practice, they've become so proficient that if you ask them to build a space rocket, they'd do it, and at a fraction of the cost. I deeply admire and applaud their ingenuity because they approach every task with unmatched technical skill and creativity. They never see a problem as too difficult and handle every job with remarkable efficiency. Salute to you, Pakistani mechanics, for your brilliance and dedication. Welcome to Mechanical Universe, your go-to channel for all things related to truck mechanics and engineering marvels. Here, we delve into the intricate processes and technical skills required to keep heavy machinery running smoothly. In today's video, we'll take you through the fascinating journey of finding and modifying a front axle for a truck, showcasing the expertise involved in transforming a scrapyard find into a perfectly fitting component. Join us as we explore the detailed steps of this mechanical adventure. Our story begins at a bustling scrapyard, filled with countless parts and components from various trucks. The truck owner is on a mission to find a front axle with substantial thickness, an essential element for the durability and performance of his vehicle. After an extensive search, he finally comes across an axle that meets his stringent requirements. However, there's a small issue. The axle is slightly longer than needed, posing a challenge. Before we dive into the modification process, let's take a moment to understand the front axle itself. Typically made from high-strength steel or alloy, the front axle is designed to bear the load of the truck and withstand the stresses of driving on various terrains. The load capacity of a front axle can vary significantly based on the type and size of the truck, ranging from several tons for smaller vehicles to tens of tons for heavy-duty trucks. The front axle is a critical component installed in the front part of the truck, connecting the front wheels and providing essential support for steering and suspension. There are various types of front axles, including live axles, dead axles, and independent front suspension systems, each serving specific functions and offering different advantages based on the truck's design and purpose. Determined to get the perfect fit, the truck owner takes the axle to a skilled metalworker, a craftsman known for his precision and expertise in metalwork. He explains the issue and requests that the axle be shortened to the exact length required for his truck. The metalworker, with his expert eye and years of experience, measures the axle meticulously and marks the precise spot where the cut needs to be made. Using a powerful cutting tool, gas cutting, the metalworker carefully slices through the sturdy metal, removing the excess length with precision. Sparks fly as the tool meets the metal, showcasing the intensity of the process. Once the excess is removed, the metalworker prepares to weld the axle back together, ensuring that it is the exact size the truck owner needs. Viewers note one thing, that they didn't cut the front axle vertically straight, although they cut it little vertically and then little longer horizontally and then vertically, not to lose its strength power. The welding process is meticulous and requires a steady hand, as it is crucial to ensure the integrity and strength of the axle. After welding, the metalworker turns his attention to achieving a smooth and clean surface. He uses a high-speed grinder on the welded area, skillfully removing any rough edges and imperfections. The grinding process not only improves the appearance of the axle, but also ensures that it will function smoothly when installed in the truck. The polished metal gleams under the workshop lights, a testament to the metalworker's craftsmanship. The final step in the modification process is heat treatment, because if there is any small voids remaining during welding, then it will melt and become one strong piece and extend its strength, an essential phase to enhance the durability and strength of the axle. The metalworker carefully heats the axle to a precise temperature, allowing the metal to gain robustness and resilience. This process ensures that the axle can withstand the heavy demands placed on it during the truck's operation. Watching the metal change under the heat is a mesmerizing sight, showcasing the transformative power of this technique. As we follow this journey from the scrapyard to the metalworker's workshop, we gain a deeper appreciation for the skill and dedication required to modify and perfect a crucial truck component. Each step of the process is a blend of art and science, demonstrating the incredible expertise involved in truck mechanics. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mechanical Universe. By subscribing, you'll join a community of enthusiasts who are passionate about truck mechanics and the intricate art of engineering. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update or new video. Your support helps us create more detailed and engaging content, allowing us to explore and share the incredible world of mechanical innovation. Thank you for watching and being a part of our journey. We look forward to bringing you more exciting and educational videos. See you in the next one.